Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another video. Today is the official Pack With Me for LA video. I have been waiting to film this. I filmed my Prep With Me for LA video, which you would have just seen on my channel. I will link it up here if you want to check it out. In that video, I kind of took you through just the main things that I'm bringing, but I have since added more to my luggage, and I'm actually going to be packing everything up in this video. This is my first time flying, and I have watched so many YouTube videos on how to properly pack, how to not overpack, how to pack in a carry-on specifically. I'm just really excited to do this thing. I'm going to do this kind of in sections. I'm going to start with packing my outfits, and then I'm also going to do smaller pieces like undergarments, socks, that type of stuff. And then I'm going to get into all of my liquids like body care, skincare, all of that, and electronics. Make sure you stick around. Give this video a thumbs up if you are also going to be packing for a trip, or if you're looking for inspiration on how to pack as well. I have everything laid out in front of me. I have my shoes, my bags, my packing cubes. I have a clothing steamer. I have my workout stuff, pajamas. I have two plain outfits. I have one for going and one for coming back, but I don't know which color I'm going to be going in. So I just laid them both out, and as I pack, I will decide which one I'm going to put on Tuesday morning. It is currently Friday and I'm leaving Tuesday morning for the airport, so I have time, but I definitely wanted to pack ahead of time and have everything figured out in case I don't pack something right away. I can always add it to my bag, add it to my luggage, and not feel stressed about it. That's one thing that I learned while watching a bunch of videos on YouTube, is that you are probably best to just pack sooner than later. I had that intention all along, even before I started watching videos on how to pack in a carry-on, but that just definitely reinforced what I'm doing, and I'm all about it. I want to be ahead of schedule with everything. So I'm really excited to finally get into the packing. Let's do this. I did just start another load of laundry that has a dress in there that I want to take with, but I realized that it has a bunch of blue marks on it, and I don't know how that happened because I washed it already and I hung it up to dry in the closet, and I took it off the hanger just now and looked, and it was stained. So I'm like, great, I hope that comes out. So that's currently in a quick wash cycle, but everything else for clothing should be able to be packed and put away tonight. My main source of organization for this whole trip is to use packing cubes. I want to be able to kind of organize whether it's by outfit or by types of clothing pieces that I have. So like I'll put t-shirts, tank tops, sports bras in one packing cube, and then I'll do like leggings and pants in another, jackets and things like that in a different one. So I kind of want to organize like that. I'm also bringing the Weekender bag from Base, carry on a luggage from Base as well. So I already set my TSA locks, all that's ready to go. I just have to fill this baby up. I decided that I'm going to wear this gray sweatsuit going there, and then I'm going to wear this apricot one on the way back. These I got from Amazon, both of these, and they are from the brand Automate. These are actually so nice for Amazon. They were around like 50 bucks, but they are very soft on the inside. They're very thick. They just feel like really good quality material. Whereas the other suit that I showed you in the other video, it was nice, but it wasn't this nice. I have all of my clothing in the packing cubes. I'm gonna wait for my dress to come out of the wash, of course, and dry before I add it to that, probably tomorrow. And then, like I said, I'm going to wear this gray lounge set on the plane and to the airport. And I'm going to pack all of my undergarments now, swimsuit and all of that. I have shoes that I'm going to pack still. So these shoes I'm going to wear the morning of, so I'm going to keep those out. But I have 3 pairs of heels, which I'm going to bring, and realistically, I'm probably not going to need them all, but I wanted to have different color options. This style in particular, I got in 2 different colors because they are so comfortable. I'm not normally a person that wears heels, and especially if I'm wearing them all day, so these I think will be fine to wear all day. They seem very, very comfortable. So I'm going to put them, even though I haven't worn them yet, I'm going to put them in these clear bags. Like if you order things from Amazon, or if you get any type of whatever from like an online company and it comes in a plastic bag, keep them, because you can put your shoes in here and that way they don't touch the rest of your clothing. I've seen other people do that too. That is such a smart thing to do, because once you wear shoes out and about, who wants to have them being put back in your luggage? To me, that's gross. Also, in the weekender bag, there is a spot to put the shoes on the bottom of this, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. And then I also have these heels, which are way less comfortable, but I still wanted to have them as an option just in case I decided to wear them with something. They look really good with everything, but like I said, they might hurt my feet, but I still wanted to bring them just in case. I love the nude colors. Got my luggage packed. I checked, it's under 50 pounds, so that's a plus. I got most of my liquids packed in my liquids bag. I might add to it yet because I still do have some room. All I have to really do is pack all of my electronics. I'm just doing a little bit of editing right now. I have the prep with me for LA video that's going up, so I'm doing some finalizing on YouTube for that. And then, yeah, I think we have everything we need. I just have my luggage right over there. Like I said, it's all packed, all full. It was a tight squeeze, not gonna lie. I'm kind of glad, actually I am glad that I'm not bringing anything more. I have my weekender bag here. I have all 3 pairs of shoes down here. I am so happy that I was able to fit all of them in. Just have a lint roller in there. I added some little Clorox wipes, and then I'll have my laptop here, my liquids bag in here too, and then I will also have my electronics bag in here. I will talk to you guys either tomorrow or Sunday when I finish packing. It is now Sunday. I didn't do any crazy amount of packing yesterday. I just added a couple little things into my weekender bag, which I will show you what I added, but we are going to do all of our electronics now. I got this little electronics bag from Amazon. It's pretty practical because it's not too big, but yet there's plenty of space for cords and like little things for batteries and all that. So we are going to pack up all of our electronics. I also am going to do my makeup today and show you guys what I'm bringing. I'm going to have all my makeup planned out for when we're leaving, but I'm also going to be using some of that makeup the morning of, so I'm just gonna take from that bag, do my makeup, and then it's like already pre-packed. So that's gonna work out great. The only thing that I'm not going to pack into this tech bag right now is my external hard drive that I'm currently using, so I will make sure to unplug it and put it in here sometime late tomorrow. And then same goes for my mics that I'm using right now. I've already charged everything ahead of time, so everything is at 100%. So here I have my AirPods, I have 2 fully charged camera batteries, 4 memory cards that are completely blank. I have my cord and the charging base to charge my mics, charger for my camera batteries. The only few things I need to add to this are my actual microphones, my phone charging cord, and my laptop cord, and my external hard drive, which will go within this little zippy mesh compartment. All my camera stuff and all my electronics will be packed. And we're gonna move on to makeup now. For makeup, I'm bringing all OG products. Starting off with the complexion stick. This is in shade Poplar, so this will be my foundation plus concealer. I'm bringing Amethyst, Pink Diamond, Moonstone, Copper for contour, Rose Quartz, Carnelian, and then I'm also bringing lipstick. This is Sahara. It's the nudiest shade, which is like my favorite lipstick ever. So I'm bringing that in case I want to wear lipstick. And then I'm bringing the sculpted lip oils in Rosalia and then clear. Actually, I have 2 clear ones. I have this one that I'm going to bring in my makeup bag, and then I have another that's going to be in my personal bag because I can never have enough lip balm. So all of these are going to go right in here. This is all my makeup that I'm bringing. Plus, I'm bringing 3 blender brushes and a precision brush. Voila. I ended up adding another pair of shoes in here. I just kind of wanted another option in case I wanted something to wear other than the New Balances. This did add a little bit of weight. I have my OG Beaker water bottle. I have a pack of gum, some panty liners, a few packs of AG1, my other lip balm from OG, tea bags, and then a little baggie full of Q-tips and toothpicks. I have my laptop here, like I said, and then my makeup bag, my liquids bag, my tech bag, and my camera, of course, will go in here. That is that. It is, you know, heavy enough. I'm hoping it won't be too bad. I'll be able to put it on the luggage, so that will help a lot. But yeah, I definitely do not want to have anything more in here. So this is it, guys. That is the limit. That's it. And I'm so excited. Since I have so much extra room in my makeup bag, I'm going to add these items into here just to save some space. So I have this Primarily Pure deodorant, boob tape, and some covers, an eyelash curler, a few OG makeup remover wipes, some Schmidt's deodorant, and then a hair tie. I'm also bringing these little scissors in the event that I use the boob tape and need to cut it. I did look on the TSA website and they said anything under 4 inches from like the little base here is okay to bring in a carry-on. So that is my bag. That is everything that I'm going to need. As far as jewelry goes, I'm going to wear all my jewelry on me. And then I reorganized my liquids bag. As you can see, I have everything like way more organized than I initially had it in here. And then there's still enough space to put my SPF on top. So yeah, this is like literally perfect. I added a Tide pen because you just never know. That is pretty much it. That is literally the pack with me video. Everything that I could have packed is packed, and the rest is just going to be for the morning of or the night before. I'm gonna try to get this video edited and posted while I'm in LA, so by the time this video goes live, I will be in LA, which is really super exciting. If not, you'll see it after, but either way, I hope this video was helpful if you are also flying for the first time, so you can kind of see how I organized everything and packed in a carry-on and a personal bag. That concludes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in LA. Bye!